become a fucking Maasai warrior. I am so pumped to teach you. This is how I wake up in a little bit of a dramatized fashion every single day because I love my job. I love what I do and I want you to love it too, okay? Some people ask me like, why do you focus on charity so much? Karma Gawa takes up so much of your time. Why do you have these little corny phrases like trade like a sniper? Because it's good. And in this world, it's a blessing to be able to do something good. Most people hate their jobs. Most people don't do good. They're just trying to pay their bills. They're using social media as a diversion from their shitty lives. They're trying to watch sports as a diversion from their shitty lives. They always have to think of something else. They need to be entertained other than their shitty lives. The way to make your life unshitty is education. And that is what I'm here for. I have 5 millionaire students. I have several students making 6 figures now. But again, most of my students start with $1,000, $2,000. My top student started with $1,500. He's over 7 million, okay? He's financially free. He's amazing. And this is what I want for you. I have so many fucking videos. It blows my mind that you guys aren't watching more of them. I get it. There are some videos like this where it's just inspirational, motivational. Look at the view, 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 look at the view. It does inspire me, okay? Just coming to places like this and seeing what's possible. I'm a small town kid from Orange, Connecticut. All my other friends are basically in Orange, New Haven, Meriden, West Haven, Woodbridge, Bethany, like the same small area. I got out. I'm in the fucking Seychelles, bitch. I fucking love it. And this is what I want for you. The world is amazing, okay? We are at this unique time in history. I'm talking to you. You have an opportunity right now if you take it seriously. If I can get through to you, if I can cut through all the bullshit, all the social media noise, all the negativity that you hear every single day, and you recognize that you have the potential. I teach some of the dumbest people in the world, and they are still successful because they put in the time. You don't have to be that smart. You don't have to be that great at math, but you do have to put in the time. So when I say trade like a sniper, what does that mean? Well, it means that you have to wait for the best opportunities in the stock market. A lot of people say, okay, Tim, I have a little money. What stock should I put money in? Nothing. What should you invest in? Invest in yourself. Invest in your education first. That way, when a hot stock, when a hot sector, when a good pattern that is reliable, that has been back tested in the past comes up, you are ready, waiting like a fucking sniper. Okay? If you ever watched the movie American Sniper, Val is filming this. Say hi, Val.
Hello.
What was that movie with Jude Law and fucking Ralph Fiennes? Come on.
I don't know.
Come on. It was the sniper movie.
Oh,
the
man.
War. It was something. Battle of the War.
Lost it.
Whatever it is. It's a great movie. American Sniper, you probably have seen with Bradley Cooper. They're waiting for the right shot. And I'm going to put in the new movie name right here once we look it up after this. It doesn't matter what the movie is. Being a sniper, waiting for the best opportunities. What do you do while you're waiting? Good question. You study. I have so many video lessons, DVDs, webinars. I make videos like this just to get you to study. This is my #1 problem. 80% of my students don't study the actual video lessons. They don't put in the time. It's very similar if you have a gym membership. 80% of people with a gym membership don't go to the fucking gym. How are you going to get fit? How are you going to get ripped like Val unless you're 4'3" and unless you go to the gym? It doesn't make any sense. You need to go to the gym if you want to be financially fit, if you want to be physically fit. And I'm not even smart. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. This is how beautiful this is. If you ever think I'm a genius, watch this video. Send this to your friends. Be like, Tim Sykes really isn't that smart. No shit. This is what I've been saying for years. I'm just an average guy with an above average / extraordinary work ethic. And what I do is teach you. So I will teach you to trade like a sniper. I will teach you to wait for the best opportunities. I'll teach you about morning panics. I'll teach you about afternoon breakouts. I'll teach you about shorting the first red day. Those are my 3 main patterns that have made me millions of dollars in different markets with different sectors, whether it's biotech, medical, weed, CBD, gold, shipping stocks, Chinese stocks, oil. All of these different sectors have had little bubbles at different times. Cryptocurrency, blockchain, I mean, there's so much, but you wait for those patterns, you wait for those opportunities, and in the meantime, you study, because too many of you guys are gonna be missing out when the next hot stock or next hot sector comes. And you don't have to just make money on the way up, you can make money on the way down, but you have to wait for this kind of bubble pattern to play out. And in the meantime, just prepare. Be like a sniper, sit there waiting, but instead of just waiting, use your brain and study. Like I said, 6,000 plus video lessons, okay? They're not like this. This is a very non-technical video, but I have very technical videos that I want you to watch. And why do I want you to watch them? Because again, I want you to be prepared when there's a great trade, when there is a great setup. Because if there was a great setup tomorrow, most of you guys watching it would not be prepared. You'd be like, I don't know what this pattern is. I don't know anything. So I don't want you to make that mistake. Hopefully you can watch this video. Hopefully you can send this to your friends and family to start studying as soon as possible. If you're under 18, you need parental permission. Finance is not a joke. The stock market is a motherfucking battlefield. I know you think that it's not. I know the little dancy baby at E-Trade, like look how easy it is. If the E-Trade baby was actually in the stock market, in the battlefield that is the stock market, the baby would be butchered. It would be a bloody baby. It wouldn't be allowed to be shown on TV. E-Trade would never show it because guess what? E-Trade makes money from commissions. Brokers don't work with me because I teach the truth. 90% of traders lose. 70% of investors fail to beat the S&P 500 every year, which only makes 8 to 10%. If you have $2,000 and you're making 8 to 10% per year, you're making what? Less than fucking $200 a year? That's a fucking waste of time. You need to learn different strategies. I teach different strategies. Trade like a motherfucking sniper. Leave a comment below if you like this video or if you think I'm just crazy. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.